Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to finding top stock picks on Barchart.com. Everyone wants that edge, the insight that helps them uncover the next big stock. And today, we're diving into Jim Van Meerten's expert checklist on Barchart for finding stocks that can outperform the market. Before we get started, let's have a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Many of our members are eager to learn how to leverage Barchart to uncover promising trading opportunities. Well, with a free membership, you gain access to a vast array of data and technical analysis tools designed to make finding potential trades way easier. So whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy, Jim's checklist uses a combination of indicators and metrics found on Barchart to help you find the top stock picks. And if you're new to Barchart, you'll also want to check out Jim's Chart of the Day newsletter to get his top picks sent straight to your email. To make things easy, let me show you how to subscribe to Barchart's Chart of the Day. First, click on the Learn tab on the menu, and there you'll find free newsletters. On this page, you'll find several newsletters across different markets, and you can easily subscribe to any newsletter just by clicking the plus sign. Now let me show you another way to find the Chart of the Day. From the home page, click on the News tab, and there you'll see the Chart of the Day. From here, you'll get a full list of Jim's picks, and you can click to read the full article or click the ticker symbol to get a full stock overview. You can also subscribe to the newsletter directly on the page right here. But if you want to find your own stocks that meet his criteria, here's how you can follow along using Jim's checklist to find your very own Chart of the Day. First on Jim's checklist is weighted alpha. So to search for stocks, let's go to our Stocks tab and we'll take a look at the top 100 stocks list. Here, you'll see weighted alpha, which measures stock price movements over the past year but gives more importance to recent changes, making it a valuable indicator to spot momentum. When comparing weighted alpha, it helps to use a benchmark, something like the Value Line Arithmetic Index, VLA, which averages the performance of a large set of stocks across different sectors. Essentially, this index shows us how the broader market is performing. We can see that the weighted alpha here is plus 30, so we need to go back and find a stock with a higher weighted alpha. When a stock has a higher weighted alpha than a benchmark like the Value Line Arithmetic Index, it shows that the stock has outperformed in recent months, indicating stronger recent growth or recovery. Essentially, it's a good sign that the stock has been on a positive trend and could continue to perform well. Next on Jim's checklist is Barchart Opinion. So let's go back to the Stocks tab and we'll take a look at the top stocks to own list. Here you can see Barchart's opinion. Jim recommends stocks with a Barchart opinion of at least 80% buy. This rating combines 13 technical indicators into a single opinion, with signal strength as a long-term measure and signal direction as a short-term look. Next on Jim's list is the 50 and 100-day MACD Oscillator. Let's click the Stocks tab and select the New Recommendations list. The MACD 50 and 100-day Oscillator is one of the most powerful indicators here. The MACD moving average convergence divergence is similar in concept to the line oscillator. The difference is the MACD uses exponential moving averages versus the simple moving averages used in this study. It's the point where the 50 and 100-day moving averages cross, as it's a longer-term indicator. By finding stocks where the 50-day moving averages cross above the 100-day moving average, this will allow us to spot momentum shifts in a stock's performance. Next up is the Trend Seeker Indicator. So let's find some stocks with top signal strength so we can spot the trend. Here, we can see stocks experiencing a strong trend with a positive Barchart opinion. To visualize these charts, let's click here to use our Flipcharts. When you get to the Flipcharts, you can change the bars to candles if you prefer, and then we want to click on the Indicators tab. This will give us access to the Trend Seeker. Now, the Trend Seeker is a computerized trend analysis system developed by Barchart.com. The system uses a combination of wave theory, market momentum, and volatility in an attempt to find a general trend for a specific market. Simply put, Trend Seeker attempts to cut losers early and let winners run. When there are dots above the price, this is a resistance point and represents a bearish trend. When there are dots above and below the price, this represents a neutral or hold trend. When there are dots below the price, this is a support point and exactly what we're looking for, which represents a bullish trend. And we can use these flip charts to quickly scan charts on the list so we can find the perfect setup for our strategy. Next, we want to find stocks that are hitting new highs. To find these stocks, click on the Stocks tab and select New Highs and Lows. Here, we'll see the difference between the current price and previous highs or lows. We can also adjust the time frame from 52 weeks to monthly so we can see how many new highs per time frame. What we're looking for are stocks that have hit new highs in at least half of the last month's trading days. Simply put, aim for at least 10 new highs over the last 20 days. And we can also adjust this list in volume so we can see the highest traded stocks first. And if you see a stock that you like, you can always click these dots to the side to add them to your watch list so you can track this stock. Finally, we need to test where the rubber meets the road using moving averages. So let's use our bullish moving averages list. Here, we want to look for stocks where the 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages have a 1-to-1 slope with very minimal crossover. To get a better visual of the slope on the moving averages, let's use our flip charts here. We can head over to the templates and select Barchart templates, and there is a chart of the day template with the technical indicators we discussed today from Jim's strategy. Using these technical indicators, we can see how these moving averages on the charts have a 1-to-1 slope with minimal crossover. This shows stability and upward movement on a strong bullish trend. Now that we've gone through Jim's strategy, let me show you where to find him on the website. Click on the News tab and you'll see Jim Van Meerten. Here, you'll be able to learn more about Jim and follow him directly on Barchart. Plus, you can read up on all his top stock picks. And when you click on the News tab again, you'll also find the Chart of the Day list, a great way to stay updated on new stock ideas based on Jim's analysis. And there you have it, a straightforward approach using Jim's expert checklist on finding the next hot stock. From weighted alpha to trend seeker, Barchart's tools are here to help you take the guesswork out of trading and investing to help you find stocks that fit your strategy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share the knowledge with a friend. Got questions or feedback? Drop us a comment. We'll get you some answers. And before you go, click the subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tools on Barchart.com.